Today we're going to be making chickpeas.
Wait, what?
Today we'll be making falafels. Today we'll be making falafels. So here we already have the mix made, and I will put the recipe down in the description. But basically this is chickpeas, salt, coriander, cinnamon, cumin, black pepper, lime juice, oil, garlic, and red onion. Okay? So now we're going to start rolling it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, of course, is wash your hands. So, because we will be handling this mixture by hand. And you want to scoop out maybe 3/4. Is this okay? Okay. I mean, it depends on how much you want, but the bigger the falafel, the longer it's going to take to cook, right? I mean, it's going to take longer to cook if it's bigger. And then you're just going to wrap it into a ball and kind of roll it like that until it resembles a ball. It needs to resemble a ball. I used to be able to do this very well. Like that. Something like that. Then put it. I have something here. It's a piece of foil. Just gonna put it down and start making more. In the meantime, you might want to start preheating your air fryer. Air fryers have just become the solution to everything. So set it to 200 degrees and turn it on. Okay, so here we've prepared a plate of oil where we're going to oil these . Okay, now we've put the falafels in the air fryer, and we're going to air fry them for 8 minutes and then turn them around. Okay, so now the falafels are done, and we're going to pull them out, and, well, not really pull them out, we're going to turn them around so we can get the other side to cook. And we're going to cook like them after they've been released for about 4 minutes. Our 4 minutes up, and now they are done cooking. And we can start taking them out. Let's just take a moment to appreciate the sky, okay? And it's starting to rain on my face, so bye. Okay, so these falafels are done. And here's how they turned out. They have like a nice crunch to them, listen. That's really good, yeah. So, enjoy!